Good morning students. This is our first revision lesson on the chapter Playing with Numbers. In this chapter we learnt factors, multiples, divisibility test, factorization, highest common factor, lowest common multiple, application of HCF and LCM. So one by one we will revise all the topics. Okay. So first one is factors. Now what is factor? Factor is a number which completely divides the given number. Okay. For example, 2 completely divides 4. 2 completely divides 8. Right. So 2 is factor of 4 as well as 8. Okay. So you know that 1 divides every number completely. So 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is the factor of itself because every number divides itself completely as well. Factors of a number are finite. There are finite number of factors of a certain number. A number can be a factor of different numbers. Like in the first I gave you example, 2 is the factor of 4 as well as 8. So a number can be a factor of different numbers. Also, all numbers except the perfect squares have even number of factors. Now what are perfect squares? The numbers which are obtained by multiplying the same number to itself are the perfect squares. Okay. So those numbers have odd number of factors, whereas all the other numbers have even number of factors. Example, write all the factors of 27. Right? You have to find all the numbers which completely divides 27. Yes, these are 1, 3, 9 and 27. See, the lowest factor is 1 and the highest factor is the number itself. Write all the factors of 108. Right? Factors of 108 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54 and 108. Okay. Next, write all the factors of 144. Right. 144 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 16, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144. Now in these three examples you must have noticed one thing, that all the factors exist in pairs. As I have already told you in the previous videos, all the factors exist in pairs, and where 144 is a perfect square, so it has odd number of factors. So 12 is the pair of itself. So 12 into 12 is 144. Alright. Next, multiples. Now what are multiples? Multiples are the numbers which are obtained by multiplying any natural number to the given number. Okay, any natural number to the given number. So we can notice some things for multiples as well, that every number is the multiple of 1 and itself. Multiples of a number are infinite because, as you know, there are infinite numbers of natural numbers. So we cannot know how many multiples a number can have. Okay, a number can be a multiple of different numbers. Like for example, as 16 is the multiple of 2, 16 is the multiple of 4, 16 is the multiple of 8, right? And every multiple is greater than equal to the given number. Okay, what about factors? All the factors are less than or equal to the given number, whereas multiple is greater than or equal to the given number. Example, write the first 6 multiples of 7. Very easy question, do it for quickly. Seven, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42 are the first 6 multiples of 7. We have to specify how many multiples we have to write because multiples are infinite. Okay, write the first 5 multiples of 17. Seventeen, 34, 51, 68 and 85. So you know that how do we obtain the multiples? 17 into 1 is 17, 17 into 2 is 34, 17 into 3 is 51, 17 into 4 is 68 and 17 into 5 is 85, just like we do in tables. Write the first 10 multiples of 24. They are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216 and 1 is left here, 240. And what will be one more multiple of 24? No, we have done. So one after 240 it will be 264. Okay. Next, even and odd numbers. What are even numbers? The numbers which have 2, 0, 4, 6 or 8 as the ones digit are called the even numbers, like 12, 144, 168, 1920. So all these numbers are even numbers. Odd numbers, the numbers which have 1, 3, 5 or 7 or 9 as the ones digit are called odd numbers. So 1, 92, 93, 105, 1977, all these numbers are odd numbers. Prime and composite numbers. Now what are prime numbers? The numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. So you know that 2, 3, 7, 13, 29 etc. have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. The numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers, like 4, 9, 12, 10, 133 etc. So here you notice that 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 is the only even prime number, because all the even numbers are the multiples of 2. Okay, so only 2 is the even number which is prime, otherwise all the other even numbers are composite. Okay, because they all will have 2 as its factor. Okay, now let's continue. Twin primes. The 2 consecutive odd prime numbers are called twin primes. Example 3, 5, 11, 13, 17, 19, 71, 73. So these are twin prime numbers. Prime triplet. The three consecutive odd prime numbers are called prime triplet, and the only prime triplet known so far is 3, 5 and 7. Co-prime numbers. The numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 9, 10, 4, 7, 7, 11, 15, 19, 22, 71, 89, 100. So all these are co-prime numbers, right? They don't have any other common factor other than 1. Here we observed a few things. 2 prime numbers are always co-prime numbers because they will only have 1 as their common factor. 2 co-prime numbers need not be a prime number, like we see in this example 15, 19, 22. So 15 and 22 are not prime numbers, right, but they are co-prime numbers. 2 composite numbers can also be co-prime numbers. 2 consecutive numbers are always co-prime, like 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are always co-prime. Okay. Now we'll do 2 examples to revise common factors and common multiples. So example 1, find the common factors of 12, 16 and 32. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are the factors of 16? Right? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Factors of 32. Correct. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So these are the factors of all 3 numbers. So which factors do you see common? 1, 2 and 4, right? So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Next, find the first 3 common multiples of 3, 4 and 6. So write the multiples of 3 first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39 and 42. Multiples of 6, 4. Yes. 4, 8, 12, 20, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Multiples of 6. These are multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. So I have given dots here to show that multiples never end. Okay. So the common multiples are 12, 24 and 36, right? So the first 3 common multiples are 12, 24 and 36. So here students, till here we'll revise today, and till then keep studying, prepare for your exams and have a good day.